How are you doing? You guys are having a wonderful day, a wonderful week. We out here in Mother Nature. Today I have a special face mask video for you guys. Which cauldron? It's $3.99. We are going to be doing a purple face mask, a bubbling face mask. Y'all like my pumpkins and my little decor here? So we're going to be using this cauldron. Just kind of open it like that, and it's got the little cauldron in here. Comes with a little brush to applicate our mask. We got a little spatula to take that stuff out. Little cute scoops on a keychain to measure out your mask. Measure! Are we ready for the face mask, guys? I'm going to be trying the GLAMGLOW InstaMud face mask. The purple one, the one that bubbles up. Don't mind my eyes and my skin. Not sleeping good. Comes in a cool hourglass package like this. It's awesome. I had been having my eyes on this mask for a while. This is the GLAMGLOW InstaMud 60-second pore refining treatment mask. It smooths, softens skin, and evens skin tone. This is only a 1-minute mask, but the awesome part about it is it's purple. I've never done a purple mask. That's what's so special about it. This is where we're gonna be mixing it. Instantly refines pores, an even skin tone, leaving skin smooth and soft in witch hazel, aloe vera, bentonite, hyaline clays, and licorice root. Supposed to leave it for a minute. Here come the mummies show. And I got it signed by Roll. I have not applied a mask on my face since that last mask I did, the one I filmed for YouTube, and it broke me out. I trust that this one's not gonna break me out, hopefully. Fingers crossed. It's just purple like that. It's like a liquid. Looks soapy kind of, but after a certain amount of time it changes form. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 16 pounds. Now the product looks like, see how it's kind of like dark? It's kind of dark in certain areas and it's like lighter in the other ones. It's like more lavendery. It's very silky though. It's very smooth. Next. Mix. And it is purple. Doesn't really have a smell. That's what it looks like on the brush. Oh my gosh, it feels so good. It feels like a clay mask, to be honest. And I already washed my face. I toned, like I tell you guys to always do. Make sure you guys tone. I already tested it on my arm. I mean, I would always test masks on your arm. I didn't do that with the last one. That's why it broke me out. So learn by my mistake. So it does say refine your pores. Make them smaller and less noticeable. Guess. What's going on outside? Feels good. It says to stay away from the eye area. It's starting to get foamy. Okay, it's starting to kind of burn. It does. What is happening? It's giving me anxiety. I believe I've had it a minute. I'm not sure. Look how foamy it gets. I just washed it all off and I'm about to apply moisturizer. It kind of felt like the foam was going in my nose and it was itching me. My eyes started crying. I know it said not to get like too close to your eyes. I tried not to. It doesn't look like my face is irritated. Like I don't see any immediate difference. I think it's pretty cool though. I've never had a purple mask. I think it's awesome. I wish it would have been a little longer. We still had the effect. It was cute. I'm gonna give this mask, as of now, 7 out of 10 on the crystalmeter just because it started burning. It was making really loud noise, like a really loud noise. Quickly. Felt nice, I'm not gonna lie. And then it started getting bubbly. Overall, I mean, I don't see it being a bad mask. The packaging is A1. It's 100. This is awesome. It's still bubbling. Guess it just keeps on bubbling if you leave it. This was it for the October face mask. Since this video is a short video, I'm also going to be adding me unboxing the Hocus Pocus Part 1 and Part 2 collection. I'm going to be unboxing this collection because you guys asked for it. And I asked you guys on Instagram if you guys wanted me to unbox my new Halloween makeup collection that I got from ColourPop. And 80% of you guys said yes. This was the first box that I got. Hold on. You guys don't want to see that. It's from ColourPop, so I got this pink box. This is ColourPop on it. Oh, thanks a lot. Thanks a latte from ColourPop. And what came in this first box was the...
Oh my gosh, guys.
The Disney Hocus Pocus The Round Sisters palette. I have been wanting this palette since last year, and unfortunately I wasn't able to get my hands on the first collection. Like I didn't even know. Saw it on Instagram, but where I was just so busy with school, and I was doing landscaping at the time, and I was still doing YouTube, so I had no idea. I wasn't able to get my hands on it. I was actually thinking about, once I saw the second part of the collection like being announced, I was like, the second part of the collection being announced, I was like, you know what, maybe I should order last year's eyeshadow palette because I thought it was so beautiful. And like, there's nothing wrong with the one from this year's Hocus Pocus collection. It's just that I just feel like the colors aren't for me. I went ahead and I said, well, I'm still interested in some of the second collection's items. Like there was 3 things that I wanted. I wanted the lip paint, I wanted the mirror, and I wanted the little spider stamp. But then later on I found out that they actually, by the way, the Hocus Pocus collection from last year, like last year a lot of people bought them, and they're selling them now, and they were selling them for like $50 to $100. Like it was crazy extreme prices. I need it. I changed the lighting, guys, because I'm about to actually like take this stuff out, and I pretty much did my makeup, but I have not done like my lips, so I'm going to be applying the lip paint. This is what last year's Hocus Pocus Gather Round Sisters pressed eyeshadow powder palette looks like. It looks like this. It came in like this type of box. I don't really need to do a whole lot of talking. It's mainly more about the visuals. He did the mish. Namaste mish. The eyeshadow palette is actually in here. It's not. It's got a little opening right here. Gather Brown Sisters. And we got like the little witchy pot, but I love the detail on this palette. Like outside, I just love the detail. And really, I feel like the packaging for this year's second part on the Hocus Pocus collection was beautiful as well for me. I really was feeling the warmth in this palette. So beautiful. I love the smell of makeup. The 3 Sanderson sisters in here, and these are the shadow with this one. Full Moon, Hello Salem, Brew Potion, On Toast, and Coven. Come Little Children, Tis Firm, Thackeray Binks, Yabos, and I Call It a Buzz. It's Wench, Night of Frolic, Dead Man's Toes, Bewitched, and Goodbye Cruel World. It's beautiful, everything about it. I love how it has mattes, it's got shimmer. So that's that one. I just saw an orb fly like right in front of my face. He ain't shy no more. On to the second box, which consists of this year's part 2 Hocus Pocus collection. The box was a little bigger again. I Shall Always Be With You mirror. This is this year's part 2 Hocus Pocus collection. So this was the packaging I was talking about. It was more like orange, more Halloweeny. It had purple in it. Last year was more like black, like kind of haunted, you know, like witchy themed. This one's more Halloween themed in my opinion. But I love the packaging in both. And I think that's probably why they went with the new... That's probably why they went with more color with this one. Because they kind of wanted like more brighter colors. Like yellow, orange, all that. All that good stuff. Not my cup of tea. But anyways. So the mirror comes in this little... It's a good sized mirror. It really is. And I don't have a hand mirror. I mean, I have mirrors. I have plenty of mirrors, but I don't have like a actual cosmetic mirror, like one that you hold with your hand. You know what I mean? So from the back, it says, I Shall Always Be With You, Disney Hocus Pocus ColourPop. It's so beautiful, and it's holographic here in the back. See the little cat, the stars, and the moon. I just loved everything about it. The little ears. It's the detail for me, guys. And then the front, of course. The mirror retailed at $9, I believe. I think that was one of the most expensive things. It was the mirror and the eyeshadow palette collection. I think the eyeshadow palette was like $12. We have the QT Mark face stamp. It's got a picture of an eye, a book, vacuum, a kitty, notebook, the actual pen. It's like a marker. It's a face marker. You can put this all over your body. It's the Spider Cutie Mark with a spider stamp on it. And this does work. I've already tried it. See, it does like little spiders. What I my third item from this part 2 Hocus Pocus collection is the Disney Hocus Pocus ColourPop Hello Boys Fresh Kiss Lip Cream. And it comes in this little package right here. It's got like a little witch in there. It's the first time I open it. It's black. Why do I feel like I got something like on my lip? This doesn't feel dry. It's pretty creamy. I don't know if it's gonna dry matte. They're supposed to, because I think it's like a liquid lipstick. Peep my skeleton earrings. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys enjoyed our little video. And we'll be back next Monday with more videos.